Hello everyone, welcome back to Battle Cats. I actually deleted my first one. I think I don't like this nonsense. Actually, this Battle Cats has a cheat. You see the XP and the cat food. Yeah, I have a cheat. I have a happy mod to help me do this. Some mod creators to upload this. GG5. No, not GG5. I forgot the creators. As you can see, I've done a lot of progress here. In this app, and on my phone, I actually can't do any of the rare cat capsule or the cat capsule, the original one. I can't do it, guys. I'm sad. Actually, let's just see our cats. Okay? See this? Yeah, I have all the cats. Everything's the final level, the max level. Miss Maneko. I don't know what that means, but I know Nyako means. I forgot it. Oh, Nyako means cat. Yeah, gotta put Miss Neko on my team. Don't want this to get out of my team. I think no, this is too strong. I can't put this two out. That's my combos, and then the brackets are too strong to get out of the team. I guess I'm gonna have to do the wheel cap. Yay. Okay, now today we're all happy in cats. Start. We're in China. This is an advanced level, you know how it is. Or I could just ask God to help me here. Help me, God. Cat God. He helps me. Okay, this weird. Everybody out of screen, eyes, out of screen. Literally cool. Now I can summon lab cats. Every minute, everyone. Wait, but before the devil cat attacks that snake, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the bell button. And you know what to do, right? You know what to do. Get him, Zumo! You're too slow, actually. Oh, that cat's a poor one. So what's that going to the floor? Look at that. Zombie outbreak now on Empire. So you can see I have the bands, things. I'm timing up our cats. No. Boop. Outbreak is now in China. At the moon. Go to China. Go to China. Oh no, this is going bad. This is going bad. It is going bad. It's going bad. First time defeated. Happiness, right? Yeah, guys, you're happy. You're happy of this. You're happy for me, right? I died in chapter 1. My first song on the outbreak. this one, I'm sure I'm not gonna die. Oh, I'm not sure. Do they? No! No way! No way! Send sumo! And there's how I'm not gonna use cutscene. These are my own cuts. And now it's done. Ah, game, you cannot now. Not spending any more cat food on that. Anyways, guys, I'm not gonna end the video yet. Before I end this, I want to show you how I did get a cheat. I mean, look at my wallpaper. Boom, PVZGW. Let me show you. Happy mod. Happy mod. Happy mod. Happy mod. As you can see at this app, you can find a lot of apps, a lot of games actually that has cheats. I'm gonna show you one now. Wait for it. Okay, let's go to Battle Cats. I already have downloaded it, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, just wait, guys. Just wait. I have low Wi-Fi right now. Let me just get some more Wi-Fi. Okay, there's other games right now. I'm gonna show you. Like the Super Mario Run. I don't know how to do this. No, not on features. Not on features. No. Needs to be on game. Cats. There. See, how about Pogo Cat? Let me tell you something, guys. See, if you see a game you want me to download, but don't make me download Cat and Robot, Idle Defense, Cute, Castle TD, because it never works. Okay, look at this. The Battle Cats. Look, you can download the original game or the mods. See this, there's 80% working mod, much money, modify, I can't do all that. See, this what I download. Mod and unlimited money. But as you can see here, a door closed. There's this the real one. There where you can download the original game. But I don't want to download the original game, guys, because I want to show you how to do this. Here look all these games. Another Pono's game. Let me show you. This game, I don't know, Jump Away. I'm gonna download that game, guys. As I further ado, bye bye. Bye, guys.